What's going on, guys? This is EV Smoke out of Austin, Texas. I'm about to show you a video. It was Sunday night at XRP. Jimmy Dale decided we was gonna race just to see, for fun. Because out here in Texas, we race. We love racing out here, no matter what. I just wanted to run up against him, see what's what, and he hustled me pretty good there. Shout out to Jimmy Dale though for let me line up with him just to do something good, cool dude. Hey, we all love racing out here in Texas, so check out this video here that I'm about to show of the results of EV Smoke. But hey, don't get it twisted. I would try anything. I would race anything and anyone. I don't mind. Hey, it's just racing. It's all for fun, and we do our thing out here in the big state of Texas, baby. Peace.
Shout out to the lady in the ticket booth, man. Always greets everyone with a smile. Shout out to Katie Smith. Up next, Tom Garner. Bird race. Taking on the fastest Tesla in the world. Here we go. Tesla in the left lane. Tom Garner, Jimmy Dale in the right lane. Pro Tree, no time. Heads up right, y'all. Who y'all like right here? Tom Garner or the Tesla?
And as you can see, this next video from when he was racing earlier, and you can see he had to turn his up for me. Ha ha ha.